Bizarre Love Triangle by Frente. Ang mga chords natin ay F major 7. So ito dito, ito dito, ito dito. And then G. So ito dito, ito dito, ito dito, ito dito. And then E minor. So ito dito, ito dito. And then balik ka sa F major 7. Strumming pattern kada chords ay down, 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 lipat. So tatlong down kada chords and then lipat. So tara guys, kantahin na kagad natin siya, no? Game. Every time I think of you, I get a shot right through into a bowl of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem of mine. Living a life that I can't leave behind. There's no sense